If we could look to the stars.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my first big cleaning motivation video. I hope you guys enjoy this. I've been wanting to do one of these for a long time and I figured now would be the perfect time. Today I'm going to be cleaning the whole first floor of my house, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go around the first floor and just take all of my rugs, all of my little rags in the kitchen. That's my drying mat, and I'm just going to put everything in the wash. Before I get started with cleaning anything, I'm going to be lighting my candle. This is the Rose Water and Ivy from Bath & Body Works. It smells so clean and fresh. And then I'm also going to be starting my diffuser. So I'm just going to pour some more water in there because it was empty. And I am diffusing this Plant Therapy, or no, I'm sorry, this one is Eden's Garden. It's a lemon essential oil. Anyways, lemon is my absolute favorite. I've been going through it like crazy and I love my diffuser. So I'm starting my cleaning off in the kitchen. I feel like the kitchen is the heart of the home, and when my kitchen is clean, I really feel like my whole house is a lot more put together. So I just had one little cup to wash here that I couldn't put in the dishwasher. I like to dishwash, like put my dishes in the dishwasher as much as I possibly can, and if I have to hand wash it, I will. So here I am cleaning off that little cup, and then I'm using this towel as my drying mat since the other one is being washed, and then I'm going to just go ahead and wash out my sink with my little bamboo scrubber. I love this. I got it at TJ Maxx and I don't have to use sponges anymore, so I'm just going to do that. And I love cleaning out my sink. I just feel like it looks so fresh and clean when you have a clean sink. Now I'm going to take these Up and Up brand like Clorox wipes. I really like these actually better than the name brand. I just got these the other day, but anyways, I'm going to be wiping down everything, my sink, my counters, my microwave, and my trash can I think I wiped down, and I'm just wiping down everything with these. Now, it's very important for me to wipe down this back door because Sherman, my dog, likes to walk up to it and stick his little nose up against the window, and so it gets dirty all the time. Let me know down below what your least favorite part of your house to clean is. My top two are definitely the bathrooms, specifically the toilets, and my floors. I hate cleaning my floors, so here I'm just going to give this bathroom a good wipe down. This bathroom doesn't get too dirty. I usually keep it pretty clean because if anybody comes over, this is the bathroom that they use since it's on the first floor. So I'm just going to be wiping everything down with a multi-purpose cleaner and making sure that the trash is taken out. if you're wondering why I had those dining room chairs up against the window, it's because my dog, my lovely, lovely dog, has been eating our blinds. So I decided to just pull them up and leave them that way so that way he doesn't chew on the bottom of them. But basically in here, I'm just going to straighten things up and wipe the table down. I do schoolwork in here most of the time because I like to just be in the front room where there's a lot of light. And so I'm just kind of putting my books away, and I'm actually taking my placemats outside to shake them out. And I'm just going to make sure that everything is a little bit tidier. Next, I'm just going to be putting our shoes away, and then I'm going to be picking up some of Sherman's cookie he left on his bed this morning before I took him to daycare. Basically, all I'm going to be doing in the living room is dusting. You guys probably are thinking that I'm cleaning an already clean house, but it's not true. My house doesn't get very messy because it's just the two of us and our dog, but it does get dirty. So what I'm basically doing today is just giving it a good wipe down. That entertainment center right there gets so dusty. I don't know why it gets so dusty in here, but anyways, I'm just basically wiping everything down. This is my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-purpose spray, which is my absolute favorite. I have a couple backups left from the fall time, and I'm just wiping down these side tables. Now it is time to vacuum. This is one of my least favorite things to do, like I said earlier, but I usually put this off until it really needs to be done, and it really needed to be done. I know you guys probably think my floors are already clean, but they're really not. My dog tracks in so much junk from outside, and my husband with his boots, and I try to take my shoes off as much as I can remember to, but these floors just get so dirty so quickly, so I'm just gonna go through and vacuum everything. If you guys are curious, this is a Shark vacuum, but I'm not really sure which exact model it is. I just know that it's this gray and teal color, but I got it as a gift for my bridal shower. So I don't know if you will see this, but a ton of dust and dirt and hair came out of that vacuum. So I'm just going to dump that out and take the trash out. So I have been enjoying mopping my floors much more ever since I got this steam mop off Amazon. This is a Shark steam mop and I will link it down below. And I'm just dropping some essential lemon oil, essential oil, oh my gosh, I can't talk, onto my pad because you can't put anything in the tank. And I'm just using this to mop the whole house, but unfortunately my camera, this is where it ended up dying. So this will be actually the end of the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this first cleaning video of mine. I know I posted a couple mini ones before, but never one that's a dedicated cleaning video like this. So let me know and I can do more of these, and I will. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe. And yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.